Okay, so we got a Barbie color reveal doll. Yep, a reveal doll with water. I can read that perfectly. So we're gonna open this, and then we're gonna reveal the color of the doll. We're gonna reveal what color the doll is, and then I guess we fill it with hot water, and then yeah, all that happens. So let's cut to me having it open. Okay, we're pulling it off. We're pulling it off. It's like opening a can. I don't know. Oh god, she's purple. She's purple, everybody. Get off of there. Oh, it's on there good. Oh, it's on there good. Doesn't want to come off. It doesn't want to come off. Get you off. Oh wait, it twists. Oh, it twists. Okay. I'm dumb. Okay, so this is the contents. We've got a dolly here. It's a Barbie, yes. Let's see what's inside of it. Open the bag. Open the bag. Oh, yeah. Okay. Dolly open. Okay. She's covered in, she's all drippings with goo and covered in some sort of paint substance that I assume if I dip it in hot water, she'll tell me which one she is. And I have these are my options of which one this doll might be. Here we go. Have a look, see. Color reveal instructions. Oh, okay. So this thing is my science tube, that which I dump a doll in. And it looks like I can get any number of these top ones, like Supergirl and Harley Quinn and Blue Girl and I'm gonna call her Gusty, and I'm gonna name that one Francine. So any number of those ones I get, hoping I get either these two or these two, maybe that one. So any number of these ones, preferably these two, then those two, then that one. This gimmick also comes with a bunch of random other stuff, like this and that, but we'll get on to that later. Right now we're going to fill this up with some hot water and then put this little doll inside of this tube of science and see what the F happens. So bear with me. Bear with me, you're gonna bear with me. Okay, so here is a what looks like a Voss thing of water covered or filled with the hot water. It's hot, so don't drink it. We're gonna dump this trollop in this docking tank and see what happens. So let's see what happens. Open the lid. Yep. Oh, what a world. What a world. Oh, she's floating. All right, put it in. Tighten. We're tightening. Oh, look at that bee fizzle. She's fizzling. Let's shake that baby. Shake it up. Oh, yeah, shake it up. Like Taylor Swift would say, you shake it up. You know, that song, Shake It Up. You think it's enough? Alright. I made a mess. All over my taking pictures of everything area. So I brought my handy dandy towel, sock puppet. Hello everybody. It's gonna let me clean up this mess real quick before it gets into the wood. Here we go. I just ASMR'd you guys. You're welcome. So let's check out the science chamber full of milky water. What am I even doing? It's 2020. Got it. Okay. I remembered to twist it, so be careful. Here we go. Let's get her out of the tube. She's drippings with goo. Let's set the hot tub down on the floor. Let's not spill it anywhere. Oh god, I spilled it everywhere. Okay, so come here, puppet. Okay, so this is what we got. She's wipe your face, darling. You're in public. All right, so she's got a hard plastic head. I assumed it would be squishy, you know, like squishy, but nope, definitely hard plastic. Hard plastic everything, even arms. really hard plastic. That's kind of cool. She's got popcorn boobs, which is pretty cool. It's like I love swimming in popcorn. Yay! She jumps into the water. Next on Booger, we got some of these blind bags. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, it's a pair of shoes. Look at that. Black ones. Let's put them on her. Shoe goes on the shoe foot. Shoe goes on the shoe foot. That's how we wear the shoes. And man, this is a sponge. I mean, Sandra, this is a sponge. Do you know what I'm supposed to do with this? Yeah, and none of the instructions say anything in any really real language. It's all pictures, so it's going to let you hold on to your sponge there. Just kind of lean against that really uncomfortable brick wall. Okay, it's like Christmas here. Oh, wait. More ASMR? ASMR, guys? Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Wait. I'm not done. Okay. Anyway, sorry. Now I'm done. All right, checking it out. What's in this bag? It's a skirt. Ah. Here we go. It's a skirt. Come on here, Sandra. Is that what I named you? Put your pants on. You're in public. You're in public. Okay. I remind myself of a brick from that one show. You're in public. Here we go. So she's got popcorn boobs and a matching popcorn skirt. She is ready for her trip to the movie theater and then swimming. So you can be like, yeah, that movie was okay. I didn't think that it's kind of weird that the aliens would try to come to Earth and then, you know, their weakness is water, but Earth is so much water. It's just kind of weird. Let's go swimming. Boom. Like that. Lamps of the day is the last one we go. You're going to open it. Drop it out. Oh, it's a wig. It's blue hair. Look at it go. Okay, what are we going to do with it? We're going to plop it on this harlot's face. This hussy. This swimming popcorn loving girl. Yeah, we are. Here we go. Alright, so let's brush it out there. It's looking good. Not really. Okay, we're making do, darling. We're making do. Alright. Hi! I want to go popcorn date. And to the movies. To the movies. Yay. Wait. Hold on. I gotta check something. I heard tell that these dolls are scented. So. Holy crap. She smells like popcorn. I'm not lying. She smells like popcorn, like kettle corn popcorn. Oh my God. That's why she's got popcorn on her. She's got popcorn on her skirt and on her one piece because she smells like popcorn. That's amazing. That's amazing. You are amazing. Okay. So this is a sponge. From what I understand, if you take cold water, you go like this, gives her makeup. I'm not going to do that because all I have is hot water because I am unprepared. So this is one of them color change Barbies. This is what they do. Now you know. And so, you know, pick one up or don't. I think that they make decent things. I think she looks better like this. I think she looks cooler like that. She's like, I don't care. Short hair. Pixie cut. Who wants to be my friend? Take me to the movies. And then swimming. Swim. Oh, wait. I want to go swimming. Just like that. So, thank you guys. Appreciate you.